Hello, if you visited the shop lately, you know that everything is 25% off. These are your classic where you've been tags, where you can keep track of the brief description of your items. Your tag goes back on the item after it's been cleaned, what shoes and accessories you wear with each item, the date you wore it, and check off if you've been on social media, the occasion you wore it, holiday party, welcome home party, Tuesday at work, whatever, and who saw you in it. And then you have 10 more spaces on the back to fill in. What makes this super great is for planning your week and planning travel. So new in the shop is this digital download that you can use again and again. And it's not just the weekly wardrobe planner. There are 10 pages of fashion tips, inspiration, and advice in here. And so it starts with your weekly wardrobe planner where you can plan what to wear based on what you're doing that week. Work, travel, meetings, the weather forecast each day. Okay, so it's very thorough. Everything that you need to plan to your wardrobe so you're not wearing the same thing every Monday or every Tuesday. Then you have some notes and inspiration just so you can keep track of what you like and what you don't like. And then some fun things to challenge yourself using the clothes you already have, some fun inspirational challenges, tips for choosing work clothes based on all of these different attributes, and then certain things that you know about yourself. Don't like long jackets or whatever. Just remind yourself. So when your mom says, "Do you want this?" you can say, "No, I don't like that. I know I won't wear it." Choosing vacation clothes, different attributes, right? You do different things when you're on vacation. Choosing clothes that enhance your figure. What works with your body type? What makes you look fantastic and makes you feel fabulous? Some tips for versatility. These are things you probably already have in your wardrobe, in your jewelry box, in your scarf drawer. Mix and match and maximize the stuff that you already have, which segues into budget savvy ideas. What do you invest a lot of money in? The classics. What do you spend just a little bit of money on to update your wardrobe? The trendy things. And then when do you stock up? Certain things go on sale a lot, and if it's things that you go through several times a year, it'd be white t-shirts or white shells, and then tips on taking care of your clothes, because you'll wear them. If you have a bunch of stuff hanging around that needs to be hemmed, you need to get it to a seamstress or make plans to do it yourself. Then your bonus is 3 pages of a packing list, and with your with your tags, packing is made so easy because I can say, oh, this is my green sheath dress. I wear my rose-colored statement necklace with that. And then I can just put that on my packing list. And it has clothing, toiletries and extras, as well as foundations and accessories. So you will not forget a thing. It is very thorough. So buy this today. It's 25% off, so it makes it less than $3. So visit whereyou'vebeen tags.etsy.com. Keep track of where you've been.